Welcome to another unit in this Excel course. In this unit we're going to talk about how, when I have text input, I can read only the first few or first last letters of a text input. So in other words, imagine I have a list of students and each of the students has like a student ID. So I have like here in this column the first names and afterwards the second or the last name. They're all like this. And then they have their student ID. The student ID might have some specific pattern. Could be, for example, something like this, which is the first two letters. That's actually the year when this student starts studying. Then I have two letters describing the name. So the first letter of the first name, first letter of the last name, and an increasing number for each student from the same year. So what if I only want to have like the first two letters? Only want to know the year this student is in. That's where I can use the first of the two functions I want to introduce today. This is the left function. I want to have first letters from the left of the input. So first here I have to give him some text input, then semicolon, and have to tell him how many letters I want to have. So here I want to have 2 letters. Press OK, and I get the first 2 letters from the left. Now imagine I have a second student. Same idea. This student, different starting date, same abbreviation for first and last name, and again an increasing number in the end. This increasing number is like 3 digits. And if I only want to have those 3 digits at the end, well, I'm counting more or less from the end, so from the right side of the input. So here I can use the function right. Structure is the same as with the left. Just select the text. Then I'm telling him how many signs do I want to have. So here I want to have, well, last 3 letters, so I'm putting 3 here. So this gives me the last 3 letters. Well, what if I want to have the 2 letters in the middle, or signs in the middle, the HH, the KK? Well, I can do this either with a function mit. I'm going to introduce this in a different unit, or I can use left and right together. And I could start first off. I'm considering from this input only the first 4 letters. So this gives me 18 HH. And from this, I'm only considering, this is then right, applied to the left. From this, I'm only considering the last 2 letters. So I'm working from the inside out. So I start with my original text. Take only the first 4 letters, and of the first 4 letters I'm taking only the 2 right letters, 2 last letters, giving me here HH, or for the second guy KK. So this can be used in the same way as I said, the so-called mit function. So a lot of stuff can be done if you have a continuously constant structure. So meaning it's always 2 signs, 2 signs, 3 signs. Then you can always use this combination of right and left to cut this together. If it's a bit more dynamic, then we might actually have to use a more sophisticated version with search and find. But that's even a different other topic or unit as well. So here, this should suffice for this unit. The idea, how can I cut off a few letters from the left or cut off a few letters from the right? Well, this then is all there is to this small unit. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see additional input on Excel, feel free to visit the rest of the course or have a look at the corresponding playlist. I say goodbye and see you next time.